Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes new SSD not showing up in Windows 11, 10 File Explorer. First method is right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Click OK to initialize disk. Right-click, New Simple Volume. Second method is right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Right-click Disk, click Change Drive Letter and Paths. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.